I've created a YouTube channel and influencer persona using artificial intelligence, and the results are truly amazing. I didn't expect such incredible outcomes. Since I want to keep it under wraps for now that I've used artificial intelligence to create this channel, I'll blur out some parts to see how far it goes. In less than a week, welcome to the Drummotion YouTube channel. In this video, we will explore the AI-created channel. Let's dive in. I created Drummotion channel about 6 months ago, focusing on AI-related content. Since then, I've been trying to teach the latest artificial intelligence tools. Unfortunately, after about 6 months, I only gained around 700 subscribers, which was quite disappointing. Look at these numbers: 842 hours of watch time. Most people in this situation would say goodbye to their YouTube channel and abandon the idea of becoming a YouTuber. But this was my dream, so I tried a different approach, creating a model and influencer for YouTube and Instagram. The result was astonishing. In less than a week, the channel has garnered about 2 million views, 32,000 subscribers, and 17,000 hours of watch time. This is a major achievement for me. Let's take a closer look at it. I uploaded the first video on June 13th, and by the 16th, it reached this number of views and subscribers. There's no doubt that AI has a long way to go, and in the near future, we will see even more capabilities and functionalities from it. This was achieved by uploading just 4 videos, 3 of which were test videos and 1 main video. First, I want to introduce you to 2 videos that you'll find very useful and that I have used frequently. The first video is about how to create an influencer using the website Focus, and the second video covers how to use deepfake technology and some popular websites in this field. I will include the links to these videos in the description. We're still at the beginning of this journey, and I will continue to post the latest tips and tutorials on the YouTube channel. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comments section.